Welcome, welcome. As you come into this workshop today, that our focus is on health and wellness. And for those of you who know who I am, welcome. Thank you for being here. And those of you who don't know who I am a professional linguist and I specialize in nonverbal communication. I'm a master hypnotist and I'm a certified neuroscience coach. And I wrote an abstract and I sent it in to the University of Arizona and it was accepted. It was on the linguistics of consciousness. And I was able to present it April of this year. And today we are going to be applying the four-step framework, the success mechanism that is already within you. And so we're going to activate that today and we're going to learn the four steps and create the healing team. So I personally discovered the power of waking state hypnosis after in 2001, I was diagnosed with cancer. Long story short, one of the tools I used to heal myself was hypnosis. So I would go to hypnotherapists and hypnotists. I had several. And then I started becoming certified, and I became completely certified in a 100-hour course in 2008. So what happened was deaf people who use sign language to communicate started coming to me wanting the benefits of this that I was doing and the work that I was doing. So I had a dilemma because in my training, like many of you who are already maybe hypnotherapists in the group, I was taught to put a person into trance. And we start doing that by saying, close your eyes. So once a person who is deaf or hard of hearing closes their eyes, communication is not happening. So, what began to develop was this framework that applies superstring theory. This is the deepest or geekest we're going to go, but it does apply superstring theory to a behavior model. And if you're interested in my abstract presentation and the resources, I can get that information to you. But this is what we're going to be doing today. So that